What is up, guys? Jacob Rothenberg here, bringing to you a brand new video tonight on Amazon self-publishing. I'm not going to do keyword research today per se, but I want to show you a really cool trick that I used when I first started to scope out other publishers' keywords, potentially being able to steal, essentially, other people's keywords now. What the hell am I talking about? Well, look at the screen here that I've got up. This spreadsheet is my VA's, my virtual assistant's spreadsheet when we do review swaps together. So essentially, I pay my VA to gather reviews for my books, and because I pay my VA well, and I pick good ones, this VA always keeps me up to date with a real-time spreadsheet on Google Docs, showing the progress of who she swapped with, and coincidentally, their review to my book and their book that I swapped with. So, connect the dots here. I have a spreadsheet with other self-publishers who are using my VA, potentially, or their VA is working with my VA, rather. And we can maybe get some good keyword ideas off this spreadsheet. So, for example, let's look at this. I don't know what these titles are in advance. I don't rehearse when I do these videos. This book's about bass fishing. Okay, not good. Not a good ranking. I can tell very quickly. 320,000 paid is not good, despite having 45 reviews. Yeah, this book flopped. But hey, this thing's 2 years old. Not sure why this author decided to get more reviews on a book that's nearly 2 years old with no sales traction. Doesn't really make a lot of sense. So that's one book we'll overlook. Okay? Oops. I actually want to take a look at the link here that I overlooked. Keto diet. I did a video about this yesterday. So this author went ham, got 129 reviews, which is a lot. Now that said, guys, even though I said it, keto dieting is a bad keyword for most self-publishers to get into, this one has the firepower. This author had the resources to gather up 129 reviews, possibly more, and then they got eliminated. Damn, that's impressive. So she is making a lot of money. Well, it's a 99-cent book, so she's making a lot of sales within the 30-cent commission range for this ebook. The paperback is priced at $4.72. I know from experience that's a really low list price. Her commission off the paperback's around 50 cents. So this author is working solely off volume. This author is also the #1 bestseller in New England cooking, food and wine. Even though I don't think this book is based on New England cooking, whatever. Oh my god. Yeah, this 68-page, independently published book has 565 review rank. Damn. Okay, so this book is making a shitload of money. It contradicts somewhat what I said yesterday, but it only works because this author gathered a shitload of reviews, put the capital, the money towards promoting it, and there's probably paid traffic, I would dare venture to say, going to this link. So, yeah, everything's running and everything's selling great. Kudos. See, there's an idea for you. You want to do keto? Go heavy or go home. Let's look at a couple more links. This is a bundle package of 2 manuscripts in 1 book on a keyword called screenplay character development. This one's gathered up 38 reviews. Sells reasonably well. So it sells about 3 to 4 copies a day of the ebook at $3.99, which means around $15 a day for the ebook. Pretty good. And then this bundle at the list price of $13.36 for the paperback. Hasn't sold any copies yet, but that's okay. Bundles don't seem to really sell well, at least in my experience. True bundles, like true 300, no, actually this one's short. So In my experience, bundles sell more on the ebook than on the paperback version, but you never know what'll happen with this title. Let's look at one more, then I'll cut it for the video here. If it's a good one, Ham Radio. I never even heard of this one. Ham Radio. Oh, okay. There's an idea for you guys. We'll look up this keyword in a bit. Actually, I'm curious. 51,000 rank, sells well, $2.99, with only 18 reviews, a paperback at $8.97. Hasn't sold a copy, but let's look at Ham Radio for the keyword. Okay, so it's like these old school radios, I assume. I don't know. I don't know anything about the technology behind this. It's out of my scope. But this author decided to get in, even though it looks pretty heavy upon the first rankings. Looks pretty heavy. I would not do this keyword. Let's look at one more. This is a programming language, Raspberry Pi 3. I thought about doing this keyword myself at one point. Sells, again, pretty well for a 52-page book. Let's see here. $9.97 for the paperback. Sells well. So, with this being published back in January, I'm doing this video mid-March. This author's not only broken even, but has made a good amount of profit off this book. At $9.97, with sales of around 5 to 6 copies a day. We're looking at a commission of around $3. So 15 to possibly $20 a day off the paperback. Pretty good. Yeah, so yeah, even though I'm kind of like known in the industry, if you can say that, really somewhat known for like hitting home run titles, a lot of books you need to publish just need to do like moderately, humbly well. And that's all you can ever really ask for. If a book is making you $200 to $300 a month, unless you're like hot gunning it, spending money on a super competitive keyword, it's all right. Just publish more books. So you got to keep your expectations realistic with this. And books like this are definitely books you want to have as part of your assets for self-publishing. So real solid. So there you have it. Now, I guess I could go into a whole other topic of how I find my VAs and all that shit. I find my VAs on Facebook. I choose the Filipino ones, and I choose the one with the fake profile pictures of looking really hot. That draws my attention. And it works. So simple. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. Let me know what you think. If you need any help, I guess you could contact me. But if you really wanted to contact me free of charge, sign up for myselfpublishingblueprint.com. Link is below. Looking forward to see you in the group. Otherwise, we can work one-on-one with some arrangements. So, thank you. Good night.